Welcome to our Nuxeo University course on Content Type Model. In this course, we'll show you how to manage schemas, document types, vocabularies, life cycles, and structure templates in the Nuxeo platform. We will illustrate these concepts by implementing the content model of an insurance company. In this first video, we will explain how to create a claim document type in Nuxeo Studio and deploy our configuration in Nuxeo Web UI. Creating document types is a key part of any application since it defines the objects you will be using. Indeed, for every document type created, you can define the properties it will store, specify layouts to fill in the information and visualize them, apply a lifecycle, and link business logic to it, like generating notifications and workflow tasks. Document types can be very different from one application to another. For instance, in a sales management application, document types could be quotes, contracts, and customers, whereas a marketing platform could manage advertising media, products, etc. Document types are created within Nuxeo Studio, the Nuxeo Platform Configuration SaaS application. Nuxeo Studio is divided into two sections. On one hand, Nuxeo Studio Modeler aims at defining the core components and business logic of the platform. On the other hand, Nuxeo Studio Designer allows you to configure layouts, buttons, and all configuration items linked to the user interface. In the case of the document type creation, first, create the document type characteristics and its associated properties in Nuxeo Studio Modeler. Then, configure the associated layouts in Nuxeo Studio Designer. To create a document type in Nuxeo Studio, go to Nuxeo Studio Modeler and navigate to the Configuration, Content Model, Document Types menu, and add a new entry. Make sure to enter a unique ID, unless you want to override an existing document type in the Nuxeo platform. Then, you need to state the basis on which your document type should be created. You can start from scratch and include only the essential schemas, or inherit schemas and facets from an existing document type. The document type screen is divided into two tabs. The first one, called Definition, allows you to define the main characteristics of your document type. The second one, called Schemas, aims at specifying all the document type properties, along with the ability to attach external schemas. Note that the external schemas topic will be covered in a separate video. Let's go first to the Definition tab. The Extends field corresponds to the document type inheritance. You can access all the default document types as well as the custom ones. Set an icon in small resolution, big resolution, and in SVG in order to be displayed in Nuxeo Web UI. In container types, you specify where users can create this document type. Any corresponding container should be placed in the right side box. Now scroll down. You are entering the Facets area. They will define what your document type can do, be commented, versioned, and so on. Some facets may already be checked depending on the parent document type you're inheriting from, and in such cases, they cannot be removed. If you have any doubt about what a facet does, have a look at the contextual help for explanations. The folderish facet allows your document type to contain other documents. In short, to act as a folder. Accepted children types let you determine which document types can be created below it. Let's create our claim document type for the insurance company. Let's go ahead and set a document type ID and select File in the Extends field, as we are aiming to store pictures and documents related to the claim. We can add our document type icons and review the other settings. As stated before, notice We won't need to add more information in this section. In the next video, we will explain how to create custom document type properties and the schema principles.